I'm Peyton.
I'm Daniel.
I'm Logan.
So your first year, you're going to start out learning the basic computer programming stuff, learning how to program stuff on the machines, all that, working with robots. Then your second year, you start building parts, metal pieces on your Fusion, making diagrams, building pieces, programming it. Then your next year, you start programming it onto the machines, start building stuff. And then you get to work with woodworking, all that. Your fourth year is when you have more freedom. You can do your own projects, build stuff, work with machines, learn some electrical stuff for industrial, do banners, wood burning, anything you really want. You get to make your own projects.
I think I like best about this class was all the experience that we got with learning everything about all the machines and the vast skill patterns.
I think my favorite part was woodworking and being able to have your own projects and make your own stuff that you want, so you can take it home, keep it, basically having anything you want.
My favorite part was being able to learn all the experience that you'll need out of high school, all the things that you'll be able to do from this class on your own house. I recommend this class because you can use the CNC machines and you can make a living off of that. You can make a lot of money for that in the future. If you do the electrical, you can figure out how to do that and save money in the future from your house. And you save a lot of money if you take this class seriously.
I'd recommend it because there's lots of great resources here, great machines, just a lot of stuff that you can use to help succeed in life. And if you want to come here and make your own stuff, it's perfect for you because you're not going to have this kind of stuff at home, not be able to have these type of opportunities and make the stuff that you want.
I think it's a very hands-on class, and Lackey and Dee will do a very good job at helping all the students prepare for everything that they want to do in this class.